Hi guys, welcome to another video. And remember, we are going to go on STEAM page 145. And remember, we're speaking about human geography, which means all of the kind of humans that can live in a region, in an area. And we're going to analyze human population growth. Okay, so first let's go see the video.
Happy to learn.
Okay, so as you can see, we're speaking about how to be able to sustain population, okay? So for this activity that we're going to do on this page, you need a dice roller. If you don't have a dice, you can go to Google and you just type online dice roll. Online dice roll. And here you're going to get your dice. You can select the type of dice, 4 sides, 6 sides, 8 sides, 10 sides, but we're going to use the 6 sides, okay? The one that is here. Okay, perfect. So, you have to start with the number 2. The number 2 roll die. Where is the number 2? Roll a die and write the number you roll under number roll here. Starting number 2 and number rolled. Okay, so we're going to roll the die. Here, roll. Hey, doesn't want to. Ahí está. There. I got a number 3. So here I'm going to write 3. And I'm going to multiply 3 times 3 times 2, 6. Remember, you cannot write this because it's dependent of what number you get on the dice roller. Okay, so 2 times 3, 6. So now here you write a 6. Okay, roll the die and multiply. And you get an answer. Now write it here. You roll a die and write it here, multiply and get the answer. And the answer, you write it here. The same, and the answer, you write it here on number 5. And that's an example of how population grows. You start with 2 parents who have how many kids, which means you have how much people. And then all of those people from this family, they are also going to have children. So how many children? And how many people are there now. So that's how people grow, okay? That's why it's important not to have so many children, because even though having children is important, it's also important to realize that you need to provide for them. So in 5 steps, your starting number turn into, what's the last number you wrote here? So, in the 1800s, 200 years ago, there were only 1 billion people on Earth. Now there are almost 8 billion. How do you think this activity is similar to the increase of people in Earth? Answer with 1 sentence. Okay? Now for page 146, it's a vocabulary. So it's easy. You just have to write the word and make a drawing. So population growth, the increase in the amount of people, like the exercise above. Overpopulation, too many people for the natural resources of a place. So you have too many people for water, some of them will not have water. If you have too many people for food, some of them will not have food. That's overpopulation, and that's where we are right now. Consumption, using a resource. Every time you drink water, you are consuming water. Waste, things people throw out when they are no longer needed, meaning trash. Waste is the same as trash. Medicine, substances used for treating and preventing diseases. Sanitation, methods used to give people clean water. So you have to clean the water to be able to drink it, because sometimes this water has trash on it. So it's important to stop doing waste so our water and our food stays clean. Fertility rate, the number of babies born per 1,000 people. So fertility rate is how fertile a population is, how many babies are there. Electric car, a car that uses electricity instead of gasoline to run. Then you have mortality rate, the number of people who die per 1,000 people. So how many are born and how many die in a period of time. Education, the process of learning. So make your drawings, and that's it for now. Okay, see you next video.